Chazza, well, with me, Chazza TJI. I hope you're well. Today I'm with my dad.
Hi guys.
And today, we are doing the baked bean challenge.
What is the baked bean challenge, Chaz?
It's glad you asked me that because I don't know. I'm just kidding, guys. So what it is that we have 2 bowls of baked beans, as you can see. This is mine, that's yours.
I thought you were going to have like a farting competition with all these beans on the table. I just thought you was going to do trumpeting away all day.
We got 2 free bowls. You have to transfer as many as you can from the big bowl to the small bowl.
What, like that?
No.
Tipping them in?
No, you can't.
Oh.
You can't pour them.
Well, how'd you get the beans from there to there? With your fingers?
Well, I guess you could, but then that would be kind of cheating.
Messy, wouldn't it?
And I actually think it might sound very nice to pick baked beans in there. There's even worse, I think. We have to use chopsticks, and that's like, just no. You know, I quit. Anyways, guys.
Chopsticks to get beans from there to there.
I know. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. Literally, this ring is giving me hope right now.
Do you reckon?
It's saying win this. So if you want me to win, like and subscribe. Okay? Thanks, guys. Anyways, so let's just get into it, eh?
Okay, let's get into it.
Welcome to Chazzas World with me, Chazza TJI. So guys, we got our chopsticks.
Do you know how to use chopsticks, Chaz?
No. Do you know?
No.
Oh.
Dun dun dun.
Well,
It's going to be a comedy show, isn't it?
Wait.
I've got a little idea.
Okay.
I think you pinch it.
Okay, like that.
You pinch one like that, about just past halfway. Yeah, I think
Okay,
that's
like
it.
that.
And then this gap in here.
Yeah,
Your finger, you slide that one through it.
Okay.
And you just hold it with your next finger.
What is this called? The Chazza and Dad learning competition.
The dad teaches Chazza how to use chopsticks. And you just like, I think you just do that.
How? How about? It won't let me.
Oh. Got to make sure you're pinching this top one.
Oh, like with the thumb. Oh.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm trying to use it as a pencil right now.
That's it.
Alright, pinch your thumb.
So you lean your finger on it so it just, and you push it up and down. Like that, look.
Yeah. I think I might have to use it like that.
Don't know how he's getting the beans from there into that bowl.
Anyways, so you got a timer, 5 minutes.
1 minute.
1 minute, alright. Doesn't matter, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I'd rather have 20 minutes.
Here all day. How many beans do you reckon we're going to get in 5 minutes? 1 minute. So...
You're getting mixed up with me. Welcome to my world, Dad.
Welcome to Chazza World.
More like welcome to my world. Hey guys, welcome to my world.
Welcome.
Anyways, so guys,
you ready to start it? And have the first go?
Yeah, you have to start it.
Ready? That's so you can get halfway going with the beans. Look, I'm over here starting. Ready, go.
I can barely even use these. Right, pick them up like a spoon. Pick them up like a spoon. I got one. I got none. Ow! I'm transporting. They're running down the side. Get out of that.
Don't touch yourself with that.
Hey, I'll touch you.
No! Oh, don't. What's the matter with you, you nutcase?
But I don't want to get these chopsticks ruined. That was just flat. I can't even pick up anything. Okay, you've definitely won this. You won that. But
never give up hope, grasshopper.
Hey, I'm not a grasshopper. No, I'm just gonna go like that. I'm flinging them everywhere. 5 more seconds. No.
1 second.
No.
Wait.
I think let's go get a tissue. So guys, I've come back with my recovery. My hands
It's all clean.
Yeah. After trying to cheat.
That's what happens when you dip your hands in beans. Your hands go orange.
Well,
So who do you reckon won that
I
round?
don't know, it looks like I've got a tan on my hand.
Yeah, like suntan.
I would actually...
I would say maybe you won.
I
But you did pick a bit of handful.
No,
you did pick a bigger handful.
It doesn't matter because I think you won.
Okay. Well, probably fair and square I won, but...
No, what I mean is that like it doesn't matter about that. What I mean is that like from the height that I see, I'm pretty sure
Okay.
you won.
So let's put the beans back.
Okay.
Put the beans back.
And I've got all beans down me again already.
Oh, stop.
Here's my cloth right now. I got it all over his name. Hey, get more beans.
He's trying to keep a few beans back.
Oh.
So he's half beaten me already. Okay. So.
Right, you ready? Add that over there. 3. When you start it, you start it. You start. I'm Aaron. You start.
Got your chopsticks ready? Do you
Yeah,
remember
we got multicoloured.
We swapped.
I swapped.
He had yellow, I had blue. We got one each now.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on then, Grasshopper. Ready, steady, go.
I'm starting. I've already got a couple in. How? Oh, I got a clever idea. Put one right there. Just grab them like that and just scoop them out.
It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, I can't do it. How do I pick them out like that?
You got to put them together like a little gap, like that.
Pour it. No.
What? No pouring?
No, I'm not. Oh, I like it.
I'm winning this one.
Got?
I'm winning. Woo woo. 2-0 it's going to be. 20 seconds to go. Where's it gone? Wait. Never going to win running. What's that? It's got a spoon. What's that?
I'm winning this. I'm winning this.
I can't compete with that.
Boom.
I've been officially mugged. I've been mugged.
I think I won.
You think? You reckon?
I won.
With a spoon? Surely that's disqualification, no?
No. Guys.
I was doing well.
Guys.
He's just got like
Guys.
half a bowl.
Guys. Can you go onto my Twitter account and say, or Facebook, and say,
Or Instagram.
or yeah, whatever, one of them, and say that Dad is lying if you think that Dad should just zip.
Stop whinging.
Yeah.
And let Chaz cheat.
No, and let
Chaz a cheat.
No, and let me cheat on you, and also what you should use a cloth.
Okay.
So guys, it's next round.
Chaz cheated in the last round. That's
Yeah.
1-1.
So it's yeah.
Winner takes it all. But in this final round, Chaz, I'll let you have that one. But in this final round, you're not going to use that spoon, right? It's fine, away. That's all being amongst all these things.
Yeah.
You're not going to use that spoon, right?
No, I'm not going to use it.
Okay. So where's that chopsticks gone?
Right, let's start
Where's
the
that
timer.
Come on!
Okay. Give me a sec.
What?
There we are. You get the tip. Now let's
I'm
start.
already underway.
Oh, 44 seconds! 41, 30. I got so many.
Oh, he's doing well.
Just use the chopsticks. You know the trick is, look, it's gone like that, and then just scoop them out like that. 23, 22, oh, uh-oh. Yeah, now.
What's he going there? What? Look at this big spoon he's got. I said you can't use the spoon.
But I didn't use that spoon, I used this spoon.
Oh, you done me on the technicality. Come on, the technicality.
I just saw dripping down the side.
So who won that one?
Definitely me, don't worry, I didn't lose anything behind. Definitely
I got mugged yet again. Stay you've made of that.
Wait, we're missing one thing. We're missing one thing. There.
Little antenna. Okay, so is that draw?
No.
What?
Go onto my Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, and tell us there who you think who's won.
Cheated potato eater. Cheated bean eater. Okay, I feel robbed, but never mind.
Come here, grab that there. Give me that.
Please.
Come here. I won. See, look, you didn't get more than me. So,
alright, check in the link description down
bye
below.
Guys.
For new other videos, links, everything. And see you in the next one. Say bye, Chaz.
Bye guys. Check out these other awesome videos by me, Chaz TJI. And don't forget to like and subscribe.